guys, you have to trust me on this, okay? This is the easiest reverse smoky eyeliner. And let's start. I'm using Lamel concealer on my eyelid as primer because my primer is gone. And use a very minimalistic eyeshadow like light brown or something very minimal. It would be better if it's your own skin tone, because see, we don't want to highlight our upper eyelid at all. So now I am going to take this brush from Maybelline. Use Maybelline gel eyeliner. Okay, you don't want a thick line. Okay, now apply on the bottom lash line. The lines don't need to be perfect because we are gonna blend anyway, so blah. Now use any deep black eyeshadow. I'm taking a smudging brush. I'm taking eyeshadow from this Swiss Beauty palette. Now I'm taking a tiny bit brown eyeshadow, bringing it out pretty damn far. Try to look down while doing this look. I'm going to put some mascara and voila! This is the finished look. You may think, what kind of lip color goes with it? Well, play with various colors, man. I'm using Maybelline Baby Lips Berry Sherbet, and see, makeup is not rocket science, it washes off. So if you don't like the makeup, you can easily wash it off. If you don't like the lipstick, you can easily wash it off and wear something different. And with the base makeup, I'm going to say keep it very simple, very simple and crisp. Once again, the attention should be on your eyes. So that's that. I always want to inspire you to have fun with makeup. If you decide to do this makeup, do let me know. Show me your experiment. I love to see your creations, okay? My Instagram link is down below. Thanks a lot for watching. Till then, bye.